channel, guys. As I mentioned in my previous video, today is the day that we are going to shoot our Hyundai Ioniq 6 kind of test drive. Here with me I have my friends who is helping me with the video. His name is Sandeep. He has got a really nice YouTube channel. Where to go? I will link the channel in the description part of the video. Please visit his channel, do subscribe and watch his video also. He's a very creative guy. This is our first attempt to doing some sort of review kind of video, so do give us a feedback. How does it go? We are also very new in doing this. If you like, leave your feedback, then we'll keep posting this kind of content in the future. Let's go. Guys, this is Ioniq 6. Let's go for a test drive. This is super smooth, guys. Oh, I can feel the power of this speed. Wow. So we both are not really used to this automatic transmission. We drive every day as a manual gear, so this is a kind of zigzag for us, but I love this passion, this everything, the steering wheel, the speed, the pickup, and the noise is like so quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh man. Look at this, all the sensor here. When the traffic, the car comes from the right. Look at this, the car is coming on my right, so I think it's still over, yeah. That's a notification because I'm exceeding the 110 km by just one number or 12, two number. But that's a good feature actually. So you don't get the speeding tickets.
Mode 1 or 2.
Sport.
What mode?
Oh, you can feel it. Eco is very, very different. I'm in a normal now. You can see the pickup like a book. Let's go to the sports one. Oh, this is more sporty kind of. Oh, I like it. This is the better one, I think. If I have to try from the three. But the sports mode is said that it's going to consume lots of battery. It's set in the red now. So Eco says a bit of. The beauty of the car is amazing. As you can see, my friend Sandeep enjoyed taking the video from different angle. It's only the weather we wish been little less brighter, where it's best suited for the color of the car, which you can understand not under our control. The pixel design lights are everywhere, from the high beams to the side light, and they look stunningly beautiful. By the way, if you like what you see right now, subscribe to our channel and like to this video would be highly appreciated. Let's continue. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 we went for the test drive is an advanced model. The standard wheel for this model is 18 inch and we can really feel it. I believe 20 inch wheel would more feel like the mid-size SUV. And remember, they do offer 20 inch in the some of the other model. Did not let us meet the mark. However, the car pickup felt really fast and great every time we accelerate. We are very impressed with the basic feature that car equipped with. Most of the other brands on the market, you may have to add all these features manually or even pay additionally while customizing. The navigation, adaptive cruise control with the stop and go function, active blind spot alarm, emergency braking, intelligent sign recognition, lane assist, highway assist, parking sensor, noise reducing, rain sensor, wireless mobile charging, edge in the standard equipped in the essential model, which is the lowest model you can go in the Hyundai Ioniq 6. In the advanced model and the ultimate model, you have more luxury equipments included. As such, 360-degree of camera, and there are lots. I don't want to bore you with the list of the items, but I would suggest please visit your nearby Hyundai dealer for the category-wise details. Climate control is very good as well. Like this one also. That's a very good feature for the car. Oh, look at the basic pickup. You can feel it even in the passenger seat. The very spacious behind also from the back side. Excuse us for our baggage over there and jackets. Still cold in Denmark. As we are returning back from the test drive, we wanted to show the infotainment system of the Hyundai Ioniq 6. The navigation worked perfectly fine. The responsiveness of the device is good as well. It has all the features you needed in a modern car. You can even use the back camera to find out what is happening behind you. I wouldn't suggest you to do that while driving though. Overall, we love the car. A very felt good performance. If we would have to buy this car, we would not go below the 77.4 kHz of battery, which says in the website should give us around 550 to 614 km of range, which seems good for around 450 km of range in any weather condition, considering the fact that we live in the northern part of Europe where we have a longer winter than the summer. This is all in this video. Please let us know how do you like our first attempt of making different kind of video. Your feedback will help and motivate us in the future. Please write your feedback in the comment section below. Before signing out, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care and see you.